Let's deconstruct the mask. Phase 2, the deepfake offensive.
Standard Face ID relies on light and depth. But light can be fooled. Sophisticated attackers use 3D generative overlays to mimic micro-expressions.
Liveness detection, the system's proof of life, is the primary target.
Latex, gelatin, and AI-generated textures. A physical bypass.
Precision is everything. The machine knows your pores. Artificial pupils. Artificial life. The perfect mimicry.
Your digital twin is ready to take your place.
Success is measured in computing power.
GANs. AI learning to defeat AI security.
Infrared sensors overwhelmed by projected noise.
Virtual cameras spoofing hardware from the inside.
If the server believes the face, the vault opens.
The value of a face is dropping to 0.
The glitch in the mirror. You are being replaced.
Fingerprints are next. The phantom touch.
Your unique signature is being digitized and rewritten.
Every touch leaves a trail. Every trail is a key.
Contactless theft. Your identity taken from a distance. The resolution of modern cameras is a security risk.
From biological ridge to manufacturing command. Building the phantom finger. Layer by layer. The duplicate is indistinguishable from the original.
The machine cannot feel the blood flow, only the pattern.
A successful breach. The ghost has entered the room.
Now, listen. The bypass is vocal.
Voice biometrics. The newest frontier of infiltration.
Seconds of audio are enough to build a vocal profile.
Text-to-speech with your soul. The cloned identity.
The IVR system greets you. But it's not you calling. Your home hears a stranger's voice with your authority, command, and control. Your assets moved by a clone. The engine of deception is running at full speed.
Mass-produced identity theft. The scale is unprecedented.
The ear can be fooled. The machine is being mastered.
Your body's data is now a downloadable file.
The infrastructure of trust is collapsing.
Colliding identities. Two versions of you in the system.
When everyone can be you, no one is safe.
Access denied.
The real you is rejected. The fake you is accepted.
The uncanny valley of biometric security.
Dismantling the self. one polygon at a time. The finality of a biometric breach.
The machine is watching, and it's lying.
Replicating the irreplicable. Moving to the core.